When installing a panel board in a residential utility room, there are several key considerations based on the National Electrical Code, or NEC. Firstly, let's address panel location requirements. NEC 110.2060 states that panel board shall not be located in the vicinity of easily ignitable materials, such as in closets or near curtains and other decorative materials. This is to prevent fire hazards. Secondly, NEC 404.8 specifies that panel board shall not be located where they are exposed to severe physical damage. This protects the panel board from potential harm that could compromise its functionality and safety. Now let's consider clearances around the panel board. NEC 110.26 indicates that the panel faces shall be readily accessible and shall be permitted to be on either the front or the back. This ensures that electricians and homeowners can easily access the panel for maintenance or repairs. Furthermore, NEC 110.26 mandates a minimum clearance of 3 feet from the panel face to the ground. This provides sufficient space for personnel to work safely in front of the panel. NEC 110.26c outlines the minimum clearance from the panel face to other objects, such as pipes, conduits, and equipment, which shall be 30 inches vertically and 3 feet horizontally. This clearance helps prevent accidental contact with other objects and allows for adequate ventilation around the panel. Regarding the distance from a washer or water source, it is important to note that there is no specific code requirement in the NEC for the exact distance between a panel and a washer or water source. However, it is strongly advisable to maintain a reasonable distance to prevent potential water damage or electrical shock hazards. This is a matter of safety best practice. When the panel is located next to a door, it is crucial to ensure that the door does not interfere with the required clearances. The clearances stated in NEC 110.26 at O and Z must be maintained at all times. If the door swings in front of the panel and obstructs access or violates the required clearances, it would not be an acceptable location for the panel. In such cases, consider alternative locations where the door does not interfere with panel accessibility. Here is a summary of key considerations for installing a panel board in a utility room. 1. Ensure the panel is not located near easily ignitable materials. 2. Protect the panel from severe physical damage. 3. Ensure the panel face is readily accessible. 4. Maintain a minimum clearance of 3 feet from the panel face to the ground. 5. Provide a minimum clearance of 30 inches vertically and 3 feet horizontally from the panel face to other objects. 6. Maintain a reasonable distance from water sources, even though there is no specific NEC requirement. 7. Ensure the door does not obstruct access to the panel or violate required clearances. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your panel board installation is safe, accessible, and compliant with the National Electrical Code. Remember to always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements in your area, and consider consulting with a qualified electrician to ensure proper installation. The NEC guidelines are designed to promote electrical safety and prevent hazards. Adhering to these guidelines is essential for protecting yourself, your family, and your property from potential electrical risks. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity and consult with professionals when needed. Installing a panel board correctly not only ensures safety but also ensures the longevity and proper functioning of your electrical system. Taking the time to plan and execute the installation according to code will pay off in the long run by preventing costly repairs and potential hazards. Furthermore, regular inspections and maintenance of your panel board are crucial for ensuring continued safety and compliance. Be sure to schedule periodic inspections by a qualified electrician to identify and address any potential issues before they become serious problems. Proper panel board installation and maintenance are essential components of a safe and reliable electrical system. Remember to always prioritize safety and follow the NEC guidelines to protect yourself and your property.